with another video.
All right.
And today we live, baby, from the Tesla. It's like, no.
We ain't live from no Tesla.
No, we in the minivan.
This is the Bentley, the Bugatti.
I'm just saying, I'm speaking into existence.
That's right, baby, speaking.
But today we are trying Korean corn dogs, y'all. I'm so excited. We have not been able to find these. So
this is a C-H-E-D
cheddar. And it's another one in there, babe. Grab it.
All right, hold on.
So we had 3 different kinds: potato, cheddar.
We went and got 2 of each, so we both can try.
We got every flavor they had, and we both have.
I never know who.
Bubble tea to try for the first time.
All right, so let's get it. Y'all know I've been wanting to try this stuff.
Yeah. What kind is that one?
Oh yeah, just like
that's a mozzarella, and that one say cheddar.
All right, so which one? I'm going mozzarella, please. You want to try? You want to try the same one at the same time?
We can.
All right, go. Let me try that one too. All right, so we're gonna try the same one at the same time.
All right.
Toast.
We're gonna try to get a thumbnail while we biting it. Oh shoot! Try not to make a mess in that anyway.
Oh man, get it on up. This guy's really good. Is that French fries?
Potato.
French fries, baby.
What's that one?
That's French fries, yo. What's in here?
Well, let's try to get a thumbnail.
You ain't ready to get the little the scratch. It's not mozzarella.
Oh.
This is good. If I eat it all, I ain't gonna eat that one.
What's on the inside though?
Doughy. Remind me of your haircut.
Y'all drop down below if y'all have tried these before.
All right. This is good. I don't even eat mustard. Ketchup on my corn dog. This is the potato one. I'm the potato. All right.
Don't mind the outside noise, y'all.
All right, what's that?
Which one
It's
you
the
want?
mozzarella?
Yeah.
All right.
Come on, let's try to get the epic thumbnail.
Oh. This is thumbnail right here.
Hold up now.
Wow, that was awesome. That was awesome. Oh, what's gonna go? Well, let me do it. A little hot dog in that one.
No, I mean,
You probably put. There's a half a hot dog in there.
so it is a little sweet, y'all. It's crunchy.
It's good.
It's like a batter almost. But like, is that onion on top?
I don't even know. I don't know. I got a bunch of mozzarella in my mouth.
Wow.
They gave me a little hot dog too in the middle. That's not bad.
It's different.
I would try to make these.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what type of hot dog this year.
It was a little different.
You like them?
It's okay.
I
I like the cheese part. If it was all cheese, it'd have been banging.
Yeah, they probably gotta get one like that. They probably make them like that too. This spot probably just ain't got it.
At least we got to try it though.
Yeah, I like it.
We ain't gonna be here long, y'all. You about to eat the whole thing?
No, boy, let me do that one.
Alright, let's get that these.
Alright. Come on.
The cheddar.
Let me see what's going on.
Ooh, don't mind my hands, they ashy.
My hands ashy too. I'm just ashy too.
Toast. Cheers.
Hey,
What?
you ready to back him out the car? Alright, go. Oh, let's me at home. Smoke them.
This one tastes better.
It's good. They give you that cheesy effect though. Oh, hey. got me dropping it in the car.
It's hot.
The whole thing came off.
Catch it. Oh. And so not bad. Not bad at all.
Shoot. Alright, good.
Is there hot dog in here too?
That's all cheese.
Oh, what's cheddar at the bottom of yours? Oh, that must have been potato inside of ours, inside the inside. Oh. I ain't got time to try to get to the cheese.
Look. Oh yeah, thumbnail.
That's different.
Alright. What a Clorox wipe that? I need them.
Not bad, y'all. How y'all doing today, though?
Alright, last thing.
We miss y'all so much. So I got Thai milk tea.
And what I got,
and
baby?
they got strawberry lemonade milk tea.
And I got some Clorox wipes if y'all need some.
Mine's has black pearl boba, and they got strawberry mango. Oh, there we go. Just give it a little twirl.
I definitely need to go to the
Look.
hold on. Dump that out of there. Some stuff on my phone, y'all. Alright.
It's regular. You're not gonna like this though.
How you stab it? They said just stab it.
Yeah.
You get hold on, I don't want to do that. Oh snap.
You're so extra.
Phone check. Mine tastes better than yours. I ain't even taste yours.
Oh no. Check.
Oh hell no.
What? You don't
This
like
just
it?
popped in my mouth.
Let me try yours.
I almost died.
Try it.
Woo! No more boiled teas. They get you?
Yeah.
Then come up there? What the hell?
Oh, yours is good though. Yeah. That's pretty good.
I don't like the part where the balls come in your mouth. That's a little wild. That's wild. That's wild now.
Babe, try this one.
Hold on, I got to pull my straw up some.
Yeah, those aren't like these. Those thin, they pop real easy. This one don't pop.
You better not.
Y'all about to get the reaction of the century with this one.
It ain't that bad. It can't be. Ooh, what is this?
I knew it. Which one is mine? This one. All right, finish this one, y'all.
Why it tastes like it's a little heat on there, a little spicy in there, son.
It's the Thai. I don't know.
Tai Chi. Dropping stuff in the vehicle. She gonna be vacuuming out the vehicle. Y'all gonna see the video of her vacuuming it out. I ain't going for all that. She already had eggs in my floor and all that stuff. Bad kid she got.
But we got a long day, y'all. So
Alright.
we record for y'all in the car.
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone. Tell everybody we'll be back with another banger in a little bit. This was a little, what's this thing called? Korean hot dog, corn dog review.
First time trying.
First time trying this right here.
Mm-hmm.
Why you put it on the hot dog? I'm gonna eat around the hot dog.
You don't like the hot dog?
I don't want it. I want to see what it look like anyway. It's a little weird.
It's tan.
Yeah, it ain't cooked though, but it's like, no, I don't know. It's probably how it supposed to look. Don't quote me on that. All right.
All right, y'all.
Deuces.
Bye. Oh.